Welcome back to another video. I'm standing in front of a very nice project. In total 13 villas are built and 5 villas are available. Follow me. The villas come in different sizes and floor plans, and the smallest villa has 170 square meters net living surface. This particular unit has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and it's set up with an open plan kitchen. All properties are set up with the Intera smart system. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you need more specific information about these properties or information about prices, do not hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.